Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Andrea, and in today's video I'm going to talk about some new products that I received recently and I wanted to put them on a test. This video is not necessarily about this look, although this is the look that I came out with. I'm going to show you step by step and also talk about all the new products that I was trying in this video. So if you'd like to see some new products that I have right here, like some La Mer, some Trini London, some Huda Beauty, then please keep on watching. My hair is still a little bit wet. I have decided not to blow dry my hair like I normally do. Now I just let it air dry. Whenever I get the chance to let my hair air dry, I will do that. I'm gonna start with this Maestro UV. This is the Skin Defense Primer that has SPF 50. A product I've never tried before. Sounds very liquidy. Got a huge spot on my face, but this feels like an oil. I do have a little bit of tan because we went for just a couple of days in the south of France. I'm going to use the La Mer Radiant Skin Tint with SPF 30. You know, it's good, just adds to the SPF that I've already applied. I've used this product once on my stories and I really liked it. The color that I'm using is medium. I could definitely apply it with my fingers. So this product feels really like you have nothing on your skin. It does not feel like a foundation at all. It's very lightweight. I feel it has enough coverage for like an everyday product. As you can see, it didn't cover this big pimple that I have right here, but I don't mind. Like, this is natural, you know? It's part of life. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer, and this is in the color 575. Because right now I have a little bit of tan, I don't feel the need of applying a full coverage concealer because now the color is sort of balanced on my face, so it's not that big of a difference between the color of my dark circles and my skin. So I find this concealer to be extremely lightweight and very natural on me in this period of time, especially if I apply it with my fingers like so. It's a super stretchy concealer that I believe it does the job. Does not have huge coverage. So if you're looking for something with huge coverage, this is not the right product. Let's grab a little bit of this and get it on this pimple right here. Trini London sent me their stack. This is what they look like when they come. They have the system where everything is in this little pot, okay, and then you can stack them. From the very beginning, I could tell you that I personally am not a big fan of this type of packaging for my personal use. When it comes to creating my kit, I love this type of packaging. Like, give me everything that can be like compact, but for my personal use, I like my products to be pretty. Since we're talking about beauty, the packaging has to be pretty. This is not a pretty packaging. Some people care, some people don't. I care a lot for the product as well. However, I'm not going to judge this product only by its packaging. We're going to test it. I have the Lip and Cheek in Freddy. I have the Eye to Eye in Courage. And then I also have, I'll try Freddy, Lip to Cheek. Let's see what this is all about. I'll just take it with my finger, warm it on the back of my hand. I like this type of color a lot. Lately, I've been applying my blush very, very high. I just think that for me, it looks very youthful. Then if I apply it in an angle, only like here. The color is pretty. It spreaded fast and easy, like I didn't have any problems. The only thing that I don't like for like my personal use would be the packaging. From what I know, this brand is created for, you know, the woman on the run, like the busy woman who's doing the makeup in the car or like they're at her office, and I could see how this could be practical, but then also like we carry so many things in the bag, or at least if I have a bigger bag, oh my god, I have my whole house in the bag. Okay, this cap, you have to be very careful to like squeeze it really well because I had it on my desk and it was all like wibbly. For the next step, I'm not gonna use a new product. I'll use my Pat McGrath under eye blurring powder. I didn't really see how much I liked it until I actually started to use my usual powders under the eyes, and then I'm like, wait, there's a big difference. I'm using the color light, which doesn't really have that much of a color, but I will try to get the medium one. Not only that it sets the concealer, but it's also blurring the wrinkles. Why am I on a side? Now, for the rest of the face, I'll use this new Soft Moisture Powder Foundation. This also has SPF 30. If you want that really like heavy duty coverage, you're gonna use this little sponge that comes with. But if you want to just use it as a regular compact powder, you could grab a brush, take a little bit of product, and apply this gently where you need it. Like, I don't know if you could tell, but it mattified the skin very, very fast. And I'm glad that I did not apply it everywhere. Like, I've only kept it around the nose, the chin, and a little bit on the center of my forehead. Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in medium. If you like the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush powder, you're gonna love this. This is a Refer 19 brush. In summer, I like to take the bronzer and get it a little bit in the crease and on the brow bone, like so. Next, I'm going to try this Bobbi Brown eyeshadow palette. This is a limited edition palette. I love the packaging. This is done in collaboration with a wonderful artist. I'll put her name right here because I don't know how to pronounce it. It's true that when I saw the packaging, I expected to have like a super colorful palette, but no, it's a pretty natural, I would say basic one. Let me get you closer because I'm all by myself, so I have to get to the camera. I'll go straight into this color right here, this reddish, with the Refer 12 brush. Get this at the outer corner and a little bit in the crease. Lower lash as well. I'm also gonna get it at the base of the lashes. Clean brush 231 from Zoeva. And I blend it. And I'm gonna get this color right here. You guys, this color combination between more of an orange golden and a reddish color you can find in a lot of eyeshadow palettes, I think. But it's a really great combination for summer, I think. And it looks very different on each person. Now, I probably said this in some other videos. Whenever you're using red around your eyes, if you feel like it just makes you look like you've been crying, use either black or a very dark brown pencil. Today I'm going to use this Pillow Talk eyeliner from Charlotte Tilbury. It's not black, it's more like the wine color, but it's definitely darker than what I have right now on my eyes. Never used this, by the way, never used this before. So I'm giving it a try right now. Now I could use eyeliner, definitely, at this point, but I wanted to try this pencil and I also wanted to be a little bit quicker than the eyeliner. You know, with my shape of eye, it takes a little bit of time. So you see, it just deepened out the lash line without being very, very noticeable. Now I'm going to curl the lashes. I'll use this Laura Mercier eyelash curler. A lot of people ask me on Instagram, why don't you use an eyelash curler whenever I don't use it? And the answer is very simple, you guys. I'm just lazy. Today I'm going to try Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. A lot of people asked me, what is my opinion about this mascara? So this mascara has two sides, one for volume and one for like curl and length. I'm using the side for volume right now. This mascara is extremely black. One thing that I could tell you from the very beginning. Did it give me volume? Absolutely. And I did not have to work too much. Like I did a few swipes. Already made my lashes look massive. From wearing this mascara before, I could tell you it lasts really well. Like it did not flake on me. I like the brush, especially the brush for the volume. I'm not into curl and length. I think that my lashes are long enough. I just need them to look like they're thicker. That's why I always use the volume one. Definitely a good product, at least this is my opinion. I will quickly apply a little bit of my brow flick. This is a brow pen from Glossier, which I absolutely love. I've got two new lipstick from Bobbi Brown in the same beautiful packaging. I think I'm going to apply both of them so I can show you what they look like. This is the classic mommy color. This lipstick is called Crushed Lip Color, and this one in particular is Rosy Dream. When I think about Bobbi Brown lipsticks, I think about this color. This is the type of color that it's like, you know, it looks good on everybody. It's an everyday color. There is not like a statement color. It's the color of healthy lips. That's how I would describe this color. French people have a word that is so appropriate for this formula. Très agréable. Meaning like it's so comfortable. I don't know other word that would describe this. Very, very comfortable. It's very pleasant to have it on the lips. You don't feel it. Very thin formula, hydrating, but not sticky in any way. The formula is beautiful. The color, again, there is nothing like out of this world, but then at the same time, I think women are still to this day looking for another everyday lipstick. So if you're looking for a color that is pretty much like what I have on my lips and you like classic lipsticks, I really think you're gonna love this. The packaging is so beautiful. Let's take this off and try the other one. The other color is Peach Passion. This color is not for me. I don't like it at all on me. It's super light. I will go back to the first one because I really liked it. I'll be using this highlighter from Nude Envy. This is in a golden. It's a cream highlighter. And I'll just apply this with my finger. This is very, very natural looking. Very much like skin. Got you guys a little bit further away. This is what the highlighter looks like. Alright, you guys, this is what this look turned out to be like. I mean, this video was not about this look. It was all about trying new products and see what we could do with it. To give you a few thoughts about the products that I was using, I really like this La Mer skin tint. I think it's a great product that has a little bit of coverage to just even out my skin tone. The concealer, it's not my first time using it, but you guys know from my past videos that I really like it. It's like the foundation. It's a luminous concealer with just a little bit, like a touch more coverage than the foundation. Now, this palette from Bobbi Brown, beautiful, compact. If you like Bobbi Brown and if you need these colors, definitely try this out. It's no out of the ordinary palette, let's just face it. Trini London, I'm not a huge fan. I really like Trini. I'm very sorry if I disappoint you guys with my opinion about this. I'm going to give this brand a few more tries because I really like Trini. I really want to like her brand, but what I've tested today, I was not crazy about it. This stack situation, it's not my favorite thing. I also tried the BFF product that a lot of people talked about. I'll just be honest, I did not like it. But that does not mean it's not a good product. It's just one opinion out of many. So if you're really looking to get Trini products, check out some other reviews as well. The product that I would recommend you with all my heart, because I know a lot of you would like it, would be the Bobbi Brown lipstick. It's just such an easy beauty gesture, and it's an easy color where you do not need a lip liner, you don't even need a mirror. La Mer Compact Foundation Powder, or powder foundation. This is not a product that you absolutely have to have. However, if you are interested in a foundation powder, I know that there are people that do not like to use creamy products and they prefer more powders, especially people who have very oily skin, then I mean, yeah, go for it. The packaging is pretty big, so now with these micro bags that we're carrying, this is already like too big. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions about the products or the application, please let me know. I'll be checking the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!